Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishwa Saital. I hope you all are doing fine. Let's solve today's problem for Leetcode. The problem name is number of zero-filled subarrays. Okay, so medium problem. Let's give a like. The problem is saying given an integer array nums, return the number of subarrays filled with zeros. Okay, a subarray is a continuous non-empty sequence of an element within an array. So what they do, we have to return how many times a subarray has only zero. So we have to find a subarray which will have only zero, filled with zero. The problem is saying, let's understand this problem by solving a problem. So we are given here an example of this. So what is subarray? So subarray can be the definition of subarray is a continuous non-empty sequence of an element within an array. So we can say this is also a subarray 1 3 0, or we can say 0 comma 0 comma 2 is also a subarray. We can say 0 is also a subarray, or we can say 1 is also a subarray, or we can say 200. It's all a part of a subarray. The question is asking, we have to find a subarray filled with only zeros. So here we have, it is not filled with zero. Here is also not filled, like we have another 2 here. Here it is filled with zero. This is right. This is right. Here it is not filled with zero. Here also not filled. All should be zero. Okay, all should be zero. So let's find out in this subarray all is zero or not. Which are subarray. So first I can say, if I take single this one, it is considered a subarray. This is considered subarray. Yes, this is also considered subarray. So how many zeros are there in this array? So we have 1 2 3 4. So we will write 4 subarrays here of zeros. I hope you understood this question. So this is, we created 4 subarray. Okay, this is part of all 4 are part of this subarray. Okay, so we have created 4. Let's see another sum. So I can say, if I start from index, so I will name this index 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I do have 8, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I do have 8. So what I will do, I will start from index 2 and index 3. Okay, I start from index 2 and index 3. So it will have 0 comma 0. And again I will start from index 5 and index 6. So it will have again 0 comma 0. Do we have any subarray left which we can fill only 0? No, this is the only subarray we have. So total will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let's make if you didn't understand, I will try to I will try to make my own example. So do suppose we have given number 1 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, do we have 3 numbers? We have 3 numbers in array. So we will first do what we will do, we will create every subarray. So this is for 8, right? So it is very hard to create a subarray for this guy. So we will create for this guy. So we have 1 has a 1 subarray. So I will use blue color, and green is for good and red is for bad. Okay, we will have 1 subarray, and we have this also a subarray. We have another subarray which is this one. Okay, we did for this one, so we will do for this guy 0 and 0 comma 0. This is index starting from 0 index. This is index starting from 1 index, and this will be index starting from 2 index. We have total how many index? So total how many elements we have? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, we have 6 index here. So what we will do here, we have to find a subarray which has only 0. So we have found, we will have this guy only 0, this guy only 0, and this guy only 0. Okay, so I will first what I will do for simplification, this index. Okay, So this is index. So I am dividing into index. So we have totally how many element here? 3. The output for this question is 3, and for this was how many was that? 4 plus 2 is 6. Do we get here 6? Yes, we are getting here 6, and we are getting here 4. I hope you understood this problem, what I am doing. So now we will use a sliding window for this equation. So how we will do it? So let's rub this. Okay, we don't want this anything. So now what I will do here, I will have a count variable, how many zeros are there, and I have another, I do have to return it from long. So because the question asks to return in long, so we will create a long answer which will be assigned as 0. Okay, now what we will do here, we will iterate to the each and every line of this array. So we will use, for that we will use for loop. Okay, int I is equal to 0, I is less than, till when we have to do, we have to do it till the end of the array. So we will use nums dot length ni plus plus. I hope this is clear. Now we are simply iterating to the array. So what I am telling here, I will write an if condition. I will write an if condition. In if condition, whenever I find a 0, I will increase the count. What I will do, I will increase the count and I will add it to my answer. I will add it to the answer. Okay, I will do what I will do, I will just add it to the answer. So what I am doing here, let's say I have index 0, I will assign this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So when I reach at second index, what I will do, I have assigned count has how much? Count has 0. Okay, I have assigned as, wait, I will write it clear, I will write C only for count. Okay, count has 0 and answer has also 0. But when I reach at index 2, what I will do, I will increase the value of count. So now count will be how much, now when I reach at index 2, the count value will be equal to how much? It will be increasing to the 1. So what is, and also what I will do, I will increase the value of answer also by adding count. So what I will do here, I will add count. So what is the count here? Count is equal to 1. Okay, so what is the if condition? If I find index equal to 0, then what I have to do, I have to increase my count and I have to add it to my answer. Okay, I have to add it to my answer. I hope this too is clear. So now I have reached to the index 3. So what is index 3? Index 3 is also 0. So now what I will do, I will go and increase my count. Count will be now equal to how much? It will be equal to 2. Now see, answer, what I told here, answer should be equal to, so what is the executing number for answer? Answer is always, so I will simplify this equation here. Answer, so what I am doing here, answer equal to answer plus count. Okay, so what is my count here? Count is equal to 1. Sorry, answer is equal to 1. And what is my count here? Count is equal to 2. So what I will do, I will increase it to this one. Answer will be equal to now 3. Okay, I hope this is clear. And if I find any number which is not 0, so what I will do, I will reassign my count to 0. So whenever I see, till here we have found 0, but the next element is 2. So I will reassign this as 0, and my now answer will be how much? My answer will be answer equal to 3. Okay, I hope this is clear. So now I reach to the 5th index. Now what I will do, I will increase my count. To the 1. Okay, now the answer will be how much? Now the updated answer for this is 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1. So what we are getting? We are getting here 4. Now what I have to do? I have to go and update here. 4. What is the next index here? 6 index, which is implying we have 0. So what I have to do? I have to increase my count. Now the count will be how much? The count will be equal to 2. So now what I have to do? I have to again increase my answer. So what will be the answer here? Answer was equal to 4, and what is my count? Count was equal to 2. So the updated answer will be equal to 6. So now I have to go and update my answer here at 6. And at the end I have 4. So I have reached my limit, and I have to reassign this as 0. I have to reassign this as, what I have to do? I have to reassign this as 0. Okay. So we will reach at the end of the loop, and we have to return my answer, which is answer 6. So we are getting here also 6. I hope this is clear. So now what I did here, I wrote if condition, if nums of I, which is index, equal to 0, then do one thing, increase the value of count, okay, and add it to my answer. So this can be written like this also. And if you don't like this one, so what you can do, you can say answer equal to answer plus count, okay. And if that's not case, what you have to do? If we find any other number, so what I should have do? I should have assigned count to again 0. So count will be equal to 0. Okay. So at the end, what you have to do? We have to just return the answer. So let's run this code. So as you can see, it is getting accepted by all 3 cases. Let's submit and see how much time we are beating it. So it is getting 99.69% beating. Okay, so this is an optimized solution. I hope this code is clear. If you didn't understand any one of the line, please do comment. I will surely help you. And if you like this video, please give a like. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It will be great help. Thank you for watching. Keep coding. Chalo, bye.